How to do the TRX suspension trainer straight arm pull down variation, an excellent exercise that targets the lats, shoulders, and core while training scapular. Starting position. 1. Anchor the TRX to a high point. 2. Stand facing the anchor point, holding both handles with straight arms extended in front of you at shoulder height. Walk your feet forward to create tension on the straps. The more you lean back, the harder the movement. 4. Keep palms facing down, arms straight, and body in a plank-like position with a slight lean. Movement. 1. Engage your core and maintain a neutral spine. With arms completely straight, pull the handles down by driving your arms toward your sides, almost like you're pressing your arms down toward your hips in an arc. 3. Focus on pulling with your lats, not your arms or shoulders. 4. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. 5. Slowly return to the starting position with control, maintaining straight arms throughout. Muscles worked. Primary. Latissimus dorsi, main target. Teres major. Secondary. Posterior deltoids. Triceps, long head. Core muscles. Transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis. Lower and middle trapezius for scapular stability. And rhomboids. Please check my next video.